Hi guys, welcome to Foxy. This is Naima. Today we are focusing again on home remedies. My super cool face mask recipe is what I'm going to talk to you about. A lot of people have been discussing and wanting to see home remedies, and I thought that why not try it out. So I tried to come up with my own little mixture. As we all may know that honey is great for the face, and I'm a big vitamin E fan, and I feel like all of us should consume vitamin E because it's very, very important to have vitamin E in your body. It's very good for your skin and hair, especially for the ones who work out. We end up losing a lot of vitamin E while working out, so it's very important to like stock up on vitamin E. I have these Evian 400 vitamin E tablets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little mix and put this into my DIY face mask. So let's get started. So here I have with me is a bowl of honey and just enough quantity for that I might want to apply on my face. I'm going to take this little vitamin E tablet and cut it open into the bowl of honey. I'm going to squeeze all of it out. And I'm going to mix these two together and make a little paste out of it. You can also add a little olive oil to this if you like, but I'm just going to stick to honey and vitamin E because it's great for the face. I'm going to apply this all over my face. So I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes, and after this is done I'm going to go rinse this off. Just water would be great, but I know it's honey, it's a little sticky, but just try and rinse it off with water, maybe a little bit face wash, because then you're killing the whole purpose of it being a home remedy or organic. And I want you to tell me how this feels on your skin because it feels great on mine. So I'm back after taking the mask off. I kept it on for about 15 minutes and it feels great. This is again something that I'd recommend you to keep either in the day if you're just like applying it and just getting some work done, and it'll just sit there for like 15-20 minutes. You can even actually apply it for about half an hour, but I know that's not really practical. Definitely something that you can apply at night before you go to bed and remove it, or just before a shower in the morning. Honey is great for the skin, and vitamin E is something that you need. You can either consume vitamin E tablets, use it on your face, on your hair. That's why I wanted my mask to be super easy to make, and that's why I just restricted it to 2 steps, which is honey and vitamin E. I feel great, I feel great, and my skin feels super hydrated and great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see in particular with like home remedies, etc. Do follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.